This I know for sure.
That is incredible.
How beautiful is that house? That is stunning.
I tell you what, there is massive street appeal. Coming in, I mean, just these shapes, all this geometry, the archways, the archway over here, and all these little details, it's just so elegant and calming.
I'm not sure about the stones, just putting it out there. They've got the biggest front yard of everybody. And I did expect to see more lawn and play area. So I think I'm just a little bit surprised how much planting is in here. That little square of grass, for me, is not enough.
You got me at the grass tree.
Well, you got me at this arbour. I absolutely love that arbour.
And with wisteria.
Oh, my God, my
That's
favourite.
just going to invade that and be such a pretty canopy.
Absolutely.
And Darren, I agree with you. It had me at the grass tree as well.
I love them
Grass
so
tree
much.
there and wisteria here. I'm in heaven.
Shona believes it is the simplicity of your garden that ties it together so well.
It's not lots of different plants on top of each other. There's room to breathe. The garden is not overwhelming the house.
No.
And that's what I was feeling next door. The garden was very much overwhelming.
Back in love eventually.
Walking in through your front gate today, Shona immediately said,
That facade is so glamorous, dramatic. I adore it.
Back in love eventually.
The word exquisite comes to mind. Wow, wow, wow.
All the different timber details, you know, the weatherboard, and that simple contrast of the black and the white and the neutral palette. It's just got so much impact.
The judges walked through your gate and found themselves in yet another very beautiful and very different looking garden today.
It's like we just kept getting swept away into these different eras over and over and over again. It's so special, so beautiful.
This actually says home to me. We've got that beautiful Federation front, Summer Hill, the little cane wicker chairs, which gives us an idea to what to expect inside. How beautiful is this pathway? And those violets, once they grow over, you'll stand on them, the smell would come out. It's gorgeous.
Neil Whittaker thinks that you have delivered a very contemporary garden, blended with the heritage of the home, very deliberately and very effectively.
For me, the only negative note is what's right behind you. The water feature.
He doesn't think it does anything for your garden. It's aesthetically,
Go on, Scotty.
He's a good one, isn't he? It's aesthetically, I can't even say it. It's not that nice to look at. It's a bit tired and generic.
Doesn't sit with the period, it's at odds. Even if they had a traditional bird bath, it would have actually really suited it.
Ooh.
Oh,
I'm gonna fight 'em all. Seven Nation Army couldn't hold me.
Where are we?
Find a hole.
we are in Palm Springs. Absolutely slap bang in Palm Springs.
And it's appropriate then that we have that amazing palm tree.
Which they were gifted. How lucky are they?
It's a gift from heaven.
I don't often say this, but I am in love with
Hey.
this. I really am.
They have nailed it.
When someone walks in here, from the very beginning they open this gate, they go, this is a unique house. So every quirk that they have done inside the house will not be this shock.
And talk about low maintenance. You don't even have to water it. Okay.
What the hell is going to happen here?
The winner of week 10 on the block and taking home $10,000 from Ford is... It's a tie between Sarah and George and Jimmy and Tam.